All right, guys, so today we're swapping into Monero. Doesn't really matter what's sitting in your wallet right now. BTC, ETH, USDT, TRX, pretty much anything works. And if you're already using MetaMask, Trust Wallet, or another wallet like that, you're ready to go. So if you've ever tried getting native XMR before, you probably know where things usually start getting annoying. It starts off looking easy, then another wallet gets mentioned, then another website, then somebody says you need a different app, and somehow what should have been one simple swap turns into 5 different steps. Yeah, I wasn't a fan of that either. A little while back, I needed to move into XMR myself, and after checking a bunch of different methods, I ended up sticking with this bridge, mainly because it cuts out most of the extra work. I don't have to think about converting into another asset first or bounce between different services. I just start with whatever crypto I'm already holding and swap straight into Monero. So let's do one together. And don't skip ahead because there are a couple of things worth paying attention to. All right, that's the bridge. The official link will be down in the pinned comment. So over here, I'm choosing the asset I'm swapping from. You'll notice there are plenty of supported networks available, which honestly makes the whole process a lot more convenient. Whatever I'm already holding is usually enough. No extra swaps before the actual swap. Then I'll type in the amount and Bridge immediately estimates how much XMR I'll receive using the current rate. Also, if we scroll a bit farther, you'll also find live conversion rates for different crypto pairs against Monero. I usually give those a quick glance, then move on. All right, now I'm connecting my wallet. Everything lines up, so I'll press swap. Now the confirmation window shows up. I always stop here for a few seconds, just making sure amount looks right, destination wallet matches, and network is the one I intended to use. All right, confirmed, and now we wait a minute. Okay, there it is. XMR just showed up, and honestly, that's exactly why I've been using this bridge. It keeps the entire swap in one place. I don't end up chasing different tools around. I don't have to stop halfway through because another conversion is suddenly required. I open the bridge, choose the asset, approve the transaction, wait a couple of minutes, and XMR arrives. That's about as straightforward as I could ask for. So if you've never done this before, hope watching the whole process makes it feel a lot less confusing. If you've got questions, drop them below, and I'll do my best to answer them. I've been coming back to this bridge for the last few weeks whenever I need to swap into Monero, and it's been reliable every time I've used it. And before we wrap this up, this is something I always tell. In crypto, convenience is nice, but predictable results are even better. That's why I don't recommend a bridge after a single transaction. I like running multiple swaps, trying different assets, using different networks, and seeing how everything behaves over time. After doing exactly that with this one, I'm comfortable pointing other XMR users in its direction. So thanks for watching.